All right, earlier today I had to go run some errands for my work here in town, and while I was coming back through an area where I almost never go to, area part of the city, I noticed an old car for sale sitting along the road, and hadn't seen it there before. It's got a for sale sign in it. Wanted to check this thing out before I head out of town back home. This thing's only about 500 or 600 feet directly to the left here, to the right, as the crow flies. It would have been easier to walk, I guess, but just gonna have to go down here and take a corner and then another corner and we'll be there. So let's go check this old thing out. It's pretty cool. It's one of those old things you just never see. Alright, just right up this next block. Yep, it's still there. Don't know what this thing is. It's pretty cool though. Looks like it's in real nice condition. Yeah, it's really nice and straight. Oh, Studebaker. All right. Studebaker. I said a Nash. That's what I thought it might be. 1951 Studebaker Starlight Coupe. $8,500 or best offer. Do not open car. Call if interested. All original, looks like. Fairly new seats. Yeah, you sure don't see these things around anymore. With that coat of arms. Very nice. Oh, I didn't notice this. Hancock Sand Company. Phone 776-1322. Sanford, North Carolina, perhaps? I'll be darned. Nice, straight old car. Looks pretty clean. Really nice. Been painted, I'm sure, repainted. It's hard to tell, but it looks like it's been repainted. I wonder if I should buy this. What would I do with another project? I don't even finish the ones I have now. Alright, that's it. Pretty cool old car. Time to head to the beer store now.